And if you want the text of my lectures and question answer session, most of them are available on my website ZakirNaik.com. So if you type ZakirNaik.com, you will go to my website, and in the website section, if you go to the section of lectures, you will find the scripts of all my lectures there. If you go to the section of question answers, the script of all my question answers is there. So if you want the written script verbatim, you will find it on my website ZakirNaik.com. If you want the videos, you will find in Al Hidayah, even the courses. And there's a course called a Dawah Training Program. It is voluminous, it is huge. It's supposed to be in 140 parts, out of which we just started, and we release one part a month. Each part is for about 1.5 or 2 hours, 3 hours. So every month we'll release one part because of the limited resources that we have in editing and checking. Because of my time schedule is busy, so we release one course every month. So far I think there are 10 courses already released on the Al Hidayah platform.